I chose a pure white and interesting mechanical design by rotating a small knob. You can adjust the minute hand, and when it makes a full rotation, it drives the clock with a soothing sound. By inserting a battery, time is displayed concretely. The second item is a tablet stand that can hold your device horizontally or vertically. Made of sturdy alu material, it protects your tablet from scratches and has strong suction power. It can be rotated to different angles, making it look like a mini display. The third item is a vintage label printer that can be loaded with label paper. 3 small buttons control the power, date printing, and customization. The font is clear, and the labels can be easily cut with a small blade. You can also adjust the label style with the F button, and the waterproof paper and adhesive are convenient to use. The fourth item is a mechanical timer socket with a rotary dial that allows for multiple timing intervals. You no longer have to worry about overcharging your devices. The smart version can even connect to control the socket switch and set up countdown timers. These small appliances are really great. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.